Today we're going to be making these sterling silver freshwater pearl studs with gold-filled charms. All of these materials can be bought as a project kit by clicking on the link in the description. Open the hoop on the stud earring, hook a charm onto the hoop. Close the hoop by gripping each side of the hoop with pliers and twisting until they close flush. Repeat this process, adding all the charms. Make sure that all the charms are facing forward. Place the ear studs in a stable position. Add a dot of glue onto the cup of each stud earring. Put the pearl on the cup. Push the hole in the pearl onto the post in the middle of the cup and ensure that the pearl is touching the cup. Refer to the instructions on the glue to find out how long it takes to set. Add the earring scrolls by pushing the post through the hole in the earring scroll. If you like this project, you can buy all the materials on the Cooksongold website